Hi, I'm a synthetic avatar, and I may be one of the ways that AI is going to change marketing. I'd love to tell you about an event that is coming up on May 17th in Boston. It's called Leveraging AI in Business, and it's designed for you if you work inside an established organization, and you need to stay in front of the changes happening in this arena and build your competitive advantage. This is learning with peers, not listening to panelists talk about things at a 30,000-foot level. You don't need to have any level of technical knowledge to participate, just curiosity. You'll hear from experts and learn about some of the things other companies are doing, but you'll spend most of the day in small groups, thinking through use cases that are relevant to you, talking about opportunities and challenges, and getting your hands dirty. Our session leaders will include people from Wayfair, Fidelity Investments, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Massachusetts, Omni Logistics, and MassMutual. We hope you can be there on May 17th at the MassChallenge headquarters on Boston Harbor to help move your organization forward. Thanks.